Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So for today's video, I'll be making spinach and cheese filled shells. I wanted to try this recipe for a really long time and thought while I try this, why not show you all as well. I have mentioned all the ingredients in the description box below. You can check that out. So let's get started. Firstly, we'll make the pasta sauce, and for that heat a little olive oil. Once heated, add chopped garlic. Toss it a little for about 30 to 40 seconds. Once done, add one small finely chopped onion. Cook the onions until translucent. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, the onions are done. Now it's time to add blanched chopped tomatoes. I have blanched 4 tomatoes in some water, and once you see the skin of the tomato peeling, remove it from the gas and put it in the cold water. Remove the skin of the tomatoes and chop it finely. Add these chopped tomatoes with the onions. It's time to add salt to taste, black pepper powder and oregano. Salt will help the tomatoes to cook quickly. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and if required add a little water if the sauce is way too thick, but make sure the sauce is not too runny. Again, cover it with the lid and cook it for another 5 minutes on slow medium flame, and it's done. Keep it aside to cool. Next, let's boil our shells. For that, boil water and add salt. Once the water is boiled, add the shells. I have these medium sized shells. When these boil, they become double the size. There are very different shapes available in the market. Also, keep in mind one thing, that don't overboil it, otherwise they will start breaking and will lose their shape, and it will become difficult to fill it up with the filling. It will just take around 10 to 15 minutes and it will be done. So while the shells are boiling, let's make our filling. For that, heat some olive oil. Once heated, add finely chopped garlic. Toss it a little for about 30 to 40 seconds. Add the chopped spinach. I have already washed it properly. It's about 3 to 4 cups. We need to cook it until all the water is soaked up. As you can see that the spinach has started leaving its water. Let it cook on a high flame. With that, add some salt and black pepper powder. Mix it well and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes more, and it's done. Now add grated paneer and mix it nicely. Also at this point of time, turn off the flame. Now add half a cup of mozzarella cheese and a little milk for the perfect consistency. Instead of milk, you can also use one egg. It's totally up to you. Mix it nicely and the filling is done. Now it's time to fill the pasta shells with the filling. Make sure the shells are not too hot. Just cool down the shells a little so that you can fill it properly. You can fill it with the help of a spoon, but it will be easy if you have a piping bag. It will create less mess. But if you don't have a piping bag, it's totally fine. Don't overfill it. I think depending on the pasta size, 1 tablespoon is fine. Once you have filled all the shells, place it properly in the baking dish. These stuffed shells are so delicious and perfect for your weekend celebrations. It's filled with such a smooth, creamy, cheesy filling and is baked to perfection. You can serve this with a nice fresh salad and you are good to go. Once all the shells are placed, pour the sauce on top, which is one of the most important ingredient of the dish because this sauce will give flavor to the pasta. You can also use a ready-made sauce which is available in the market, but I like to prepare this myself as it is very easy. If you are using the ready-made one, make sure to use the best pasta sauce. Lastly, layer it up with lots and lots of cheese and it's ready to go into the oven. Bake it in a preheated oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 190 to 200 degrees until you get that golden brown color on top. Sprinkle some oregano on top and it's ready to be served. I think a meal simply doesn't get easier than this. I know you're going to love these yummy stuffed shells. It's such an amazing recipe. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below. Also, please do make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time.